Hello YouTube, how's it going? It is LegoMan4117 here, again with something that you have seen before, but you won't really recognize a few of it, because it's remodeled, but here it is. Yeah, you probably still don't know. All you see so far is the GameCube bag. It's what's in the bag that you've already seen in a video from a while back at L Dragon 477's house, or Legends of Dragons, or whichever one he's using now. I have just opened up all compartments. First, I'll take out the attachments so you can recognize this. The holographic scope, which you can actually look through. And it has this thing, if you can see inside. You can see it right there. It has that thing to help look through. This thing, which is just completely stupid and you wouldn't even know what it is. It's supposed to be like a red dot laser sight or whatever. Laser sight that goes on the side of the whatever. This thing, which you obviously wouldn't know what it is, but it goes to the back. And this part goes to your face so that you can aim. This part, you don't know what it is until I go like this. This attaches to the front and you hold it like that. Alright, now, this is not a part of it. I can just toss it over there. Now, this thing is temporary. You don't know what it is. No one would, not even L Dragon 477. Let's just do that for right now. Alright, we'll put 2 clips, and one of them has a bunch of these 3 things on top of it, actually. Now, you see some random device with 2 holes in it. 2 holes that easily hold the clip in. And it's real nice and sturdy and you don't even touch. Yeah, it's pretty nice idea, but it doesn't attach. And oh, I thought it was an opening for a second. Alright, now this you may or may not have seen. My Lego throwing / combat knife. It was pretty indestructible, but now it's just coming off. I gotta retape it. And now for the final piece, which you've seen before, but not this way. Well, now you know what it is. And here's a cool part. It's supposed to automatically go back, but the rubber band's not strong enough right now. Well, I don't know why I still have this here, but I'm just going to put it up here. I have this red dot, so you can look through kind of like that. If you can see through like that, yep. This is a way better setup than what I did in all my other Lego gun videos that I've shown. Way better setup. It's just a bunch of boxes stacked on top of each other with my kickstand open. See, okay, now this weirdly stupid attachment goes right here. So you can go like that. Now you can see it. If you didn't notice, there was already a clip inside. this was a model from my different username on a how-to video tutorial for, I think it was a PK, well, whatever. And to me, it kind of almost seems like a Desert Eagle, but who cares? This thing that I was talking about goes right here. It's just slightly remodeled. This back part is. It pretty much just, I don't know how to show it, but it, like, kind of goes like this. See how the, camera is moving? That's because it's on the phone. See, you can look through it like that. Yeah, that was it being on the camera. Yeah, there's this. Yeah, if you look, there's a bunch of studs. If you haven't seen any of my latest videos, I mean, there's a bunch of flat pieces, and you see 2 studs right here. You're like, probably thinking, did he forget a flat piece? Well, no, actually. As you can see, if I had one, it wouldn't be able to do this. Lock in place. Oh yeah, and this grip has been slightly remodeled. This part is 2 flat pieces lower. As you can see, I'm moving the gun around and it's not really doing anything. That's because it's stable by 2x2 pieces. Now for what I call a holographic scope. As you can see, another remodeling to this is the simple thing to notice. It's clearly obvious what this was. This is tactical rails. I'm gonna make this look cooler sometime. But yeah, you can pretty much look through this kind of. Yeah, now you can see through it. Let me just move this bag. See, now you can look through it. Makes it so much easier. I put a black piece right here at the top instead of red because I was using the red right here. I had 2 blue studs at the top right here, and then I had 2 red studs over it because I had lost some pieces. I also have this black stud right here that works as a button. Well, not really as a button, but it just, you pretend that it's a button to go like that, so you can go like this. And then the reason why that there's a black one right here is because I needed the red one for this. Although I realize it's not that much fun. But I'm going to make this a tactical rail. If possible, I can put a small tactical rail right here. And that's it, because I need this open for that. But yeah. Here's one of the clips, clip number 2. Flat. This one's clip number 3. It has these 2, so it stays down lower. As you can see, they're totally different sizes. This one hangs by these 2, so it doesn't even go in all the way. It just stops right there. And there's this. I don't have any flat pieces. I'm totally out. And then you have clip number 1. Basic, standard, dark, and light gray style. Really good modeling. Well, I think that's all for today, folks. So, please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, well, I wasn't prepared for that one yet. Hold on. So, please like, comment, rate, and subscribe for more awesome Lego videos like this, because I have a horrible Lego budget. Well, just kidding. I just have not enough time with Lego stuff. So let me try this again. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe for more Lego weapons just like this one, or even better than this one, if I can get this to stand. You know what? Yeah. There. Whatever. Alright. Whatever. You get the point. Alright, just subscribe for more Lego videos. Alright. As always, keep building.